Come with me to edit. Currently editing a long length vlog. Currently can't find my glasses or my case, so I'm not gonna worry about that right now. I'm just gonna show you guys my system. This is my old video. I'm just gonna delete that so that I have a clear space, create a project, and then I'm gonna post the whole weekend vlog, which is the one I'm currently doing and needs to be out tomorrow. So desktop, all of this, and you just click and go through. And I need to do the thumbnail now, so that's done. And that's just it going on. That it drags it all down, so it just makes it easier for me to then just go zoom in, and I'm gonna take screenshots of every scene. So I'm just gonna zoom out a bit and just start. Come with me on a weekend vlog. So I actually just. Then second thing I do is I grab all the thumbnails from the YouTube video and then I start making the thumbnail. The third step is just keep going through what you've edited, listen to the audio, listen to the videos and clips, and then insert whatever text or insert whatever edits that needs to go into that. And then I start with actually creating the thumbnail, which takes a long time, and making the description. If you're interested in watching any more videos that talk about editing, please go to Aspiring Voices and there'll be a lot more like this.